Good morning to all the students. Students, this lesson is for class 8 for the subject of chemistry. Topic relative atomic mass, which is atomic weight, which is covered in chapter 1, the language of chemistry, starting on page number 15 of your textbook titled Concise Chemistry by Selena Publication and is being submitted to you on 24th May 2021. This voice is of Mohinisha Thakur. All students may now please open page number 15 of your notebook in front of you. If all students are ready, then let us start with this chapter. All students may now please listen carefully. Students, we have already studied that all the elements are made up of very small units called atom. Since the atoms are extremely small, their masses are also too small, like the mass of hydrogen atom was found to be 1.66 into 10 raised to the power minus 24 grams. As you can see here, it is such a small value in gram, so it would be inconvenient to use. So kilogram and gram as unit. Now the solution was to use the mass of a standard atom as a unit. The mass of all other atoms were now related or compared with the mass of standard atom. Earlier, hydrogen atom was chosen as standard unit, but now the mass of carbon atom, which is C12, is taken as the standard unit. Next, we will discuss the relative atomic mass. So, what is relative atomic mass? It is the relative atomic mass or atomic weight of an element is the number of times one atom of the element is heavier than 1 by 12 times of the mass of an atom of carbon 12. So, atomic mass is expressed in atomic mass units, that is AMU. Example, mass of hydrogen atom is 1 AMU, nitrogen is 14 AMU and oxygen is 16 AMU. Now we will discuss the next term, which is relative molecular mass. What is relative molecular mass? The relative molecular mass is obtained by adding together the relative atomic masses of all the atoms present in a molecule. Example, CO2 contains 2 atoms of oxygen and 1 atom of carbon. So atomic mass of carbon is 12 and oxygen is 16. So the molecular mass of CO2, add the atomic masses in the molecule of this element, that is carbon has 12 plus then oxygen have 16. We will multiply the 16 with 2 because oxygen has 2 atoms and solve it. 12 plus 32, it will become 44 AMU. Let us find the molecular mass of compounds of question number 9 given on page number 19. So given atomic mass of sodium is 23, hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 16, carbon is 12, nitrogen is 14, magnesium is 24 and sulfur is 32. Now we will put the atomic mass value of each atom in the molecule in the first compound, which is Na2SO4 dot 10H2O. Students, kindly note here dot doesn't not mean multiplication. It will take it as a sum. So how we will solve this relative atomic mass? How we will find it? 2 into 23 plus 32 plus 4 into 16 plus 10 bracket 2 into 1 plus 16. After solving it, you will have 322 AMU. There are another 3 compounds are given. You are required to solve this in your chemistry notebook. So students, relative atomic mass of various atoms are always given with the question. So there is no need to learn these values. We have learnt the radicals and can write the formula using crisscross method. We have also learned to balance a chemical equation. in the last assignment, we had written and balanced some word equation of question number 8 from page 19. Now we will solve the remaining word equations. So the J1 is aluminium carbide plus water gives aluminium hydroxide methane, out of which I will discuss the 3 or 4. Rest you will observe by the page number 4 of the notes, which is sent on 24th May 2021. So here the chemical equation will be written as, and the formula of aluminium carbide is Al4C3. 12H2O gives 4AlOH whole thrice plus 3CH4. Second one, iron pyrites plus oxygen gives ferric oxide plus sulfur dioxide. So it will written as 4FeS2 plus 11O2 gives 2Fe2O3 plus 8SO2. Students, rest equations till R you may observe by the page number 4 and page number 5 of the notes, which is sent on 24th May 2021. Next we will discuss the topic, which is percentage composition. So in the last topic we had studied about the molecular mass of a compound. Every element contributes its weight in the molecular mass. So the percentage by weight of each element present in the compound is called percentage composition. Let us study some example. Water, which is the formula have H2O. Let us find the percentage composition of hydrogen and oxygen in water. So what is the total mass, that is a molecular mass of H2O is? Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 into 2. We will multiply it with 2 because hydrogen has 2 atoms. Then we will put the sign of addition. Oxygen has 16. After solving this, we will get 18 gram. So percentage of, if we have to calculate the percentage of hydrogen, what we will write the formula? Firstly, we will write the mass of hydrogen in H2O. It will come in a numerator upon molecular mass of H2O into 100. There are 2 atoms of hydrogen, so it will written as 1 into 2 by 18 into 100 is equals to 2 by 18 into 100, and the 11.1% percentage composition of hydrogen will come. Similarly, we will find the percentage of oxygen. It will come as 88.8%. So there are so many questions are solved. Question number 14, question number 15 and question number 16 on the percentage of the element, percentage composition on page number 6 of the notes, which is sent on 24th May 2021. You may observe these from that pages, page number 6 and 7. Now we will discuss the next topic of this chapter, which is empirical formula of a compound. So molecular formula of hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. So ratio of H and O is 2:2, and simplest ratio it will written as 1:1. We will cut it with the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Now the formula of hydrogen peroxide with simplest ratio will be HO. So empirical, it is also an empirical formula. Empirical formula of compound is the formula in which all the atoms are present in the simplest whole number ratio. Similarly, the formula of glucose is C6H12O6. So ratio of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is 6:12:6 divided by 6. Simplest ratio will be written as 1:2:1. So the empirical formula of glucose is CH2O. Similarly, formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. There are 2 carbon, 2 oxygen and 4 hydrogen. We can write it as C2H4O2. Ratio will be 2:4:2. Now cut it with the table with 2 and make it simple ratio, which is 1:2:1. So the empirical formula of acetic acid is CH2O. So empirical formula can be same for 2 or more compounds. Now what is empirical formula mass? So when we add the atomic masses of all the elements present in the empirical formula, it is called empirical formula mass. Example, empirical formula of glucose, which is C6H12O6, that is CH2O. Its empirical mass is, put the atomic mass value of each element in the compound, that is carbon has 12 plus 1 into 2 plus 16, that is equals to 30. Now I will give you three very short questions. You will get a 3 minutes break to write the answers. So questions are, what is the mass of nitrogen and oxygen? Question number 2, calculate the percentage of carbon in CH4. And the last question number 3 is, what is the empirical formula of glucose, which is C6H12O6. Students, now pause this audio for 3 minutes and write the answers in your chemistry notebook. I hope you all have written the answers by now. Let us check the answers now. So answer number 1 is nitrogen has 14 AMU, oxygen is 16 AMU, whereas answer number 3 is 75%, and the last answer number 3 is CH2O. Students, now I am ending the lesson for today by giving instructions and homework. So instructions are, students, please read the topics from book and then from the given notes carefully. Practice making formula of compounds and balancing of equations. And homework is, do questions 1, 6, 3, 4, 5, 10 and 11 from exercise 1C given on page number 20 of your chemistry notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.